Hello, my name is Snehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 18 November 2021. So today topic is iterative statement. So what is iterative statement? Iterative statement, it means that it iterates the statement continuously until the condition is not terminated. It's called iterative statement. Then into that iterative statement there are the three types. First one is a do while loop, second one is a while loop, and third one is a for loop. So it is a iterative statement. It means that it execute the statement again and again until loop is not terminated. It's called iterative statement. So first we will discuss about the do while loop. Into that do while loop, a condition always execute at least one, because the condition of the do while loop is always into the last. So that's why when we declare the do while loop, it's always execute the condition at least one. Then the syntax of the do while loop is do into a pair of curly braces, body or and statements, and then after end of the curly braces, while loop, and then condition. For example, do into pair of curly braces, number equals to 10, then sys out number, and then number plus plus, and then while loop, number less than 0. Then so it is a do while loop. It's print the number 10 to 1. Then another iterative statement, which is a for loop. Into that for loop, we can when we know the number of iteration, that time we use the for loop. So into that for loop, the syntax of the for loop, which is a initialization, condition, and then how many iteration, and increment, decrement. Then into pair of curly braces, statement or body. For example of the iterative statement of for loop, for I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, and then sys out I, then it's print the 0 to 9 number. Then another iterative statement is a while loop. Into while loop, the iteration is continuously iterate until the condition until condition not false. Then while loop is continuously iterate. Then syntax of the while loop is number while into pair of curly braces, statement, and then end of the statement. Then for example of the while, which is a we will take one number, then into while loop, then condition, then number greater than 0, and then number minus minus, and then sys out. After while loop, sys out number. So it's print the all number. So these are the three iterative statement, which is a for loop, do while loop, and while loop. So thank you so much.